Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Thank you for joining me today for one of my Dollar Tree Shop With Me trips. Yes, we're going to Dollar Tree. We are here and we're going to see what's new. So right now, this week in Dollar Tree, we have new DVDs. Yes, Dollar Tree has the greatest movies. You could pretty much find a lot of your older movies that came out like a few years ago for only $1. So right now I'm just browsing through, looking around to see what I can find. I may pick up something for my grandma. I may pick up something for my kids, but pretty much I'm just browsing right now. They have the Princess and the Dragon, and they also have the Beehive. Oh yes, the flip-flops are in, everyone. This is the time of the year that I enjoy the most. Dollar Tree has the cutest flip-flops. They have the watermelon ones. They even have the anchor ones. This one says Eat, Sleep, Beach. I have those pair right there. Good vibes only. I love the tie-dye ones. Head on over to Dollar Tree. And right now they have bows. Now these bows right here are the cutest ever that I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. And I picked up a few of these for my youngest daughter. And they come in so many different colors and they're very good quality too. All right, to all my fur baby lovers and fur baby owners, Dollar Tree has the cutest little treat baskets with the little legs that go to them. They come with different colors and patterns for only $1. And I love all the different colors, very good quality. They had pink, blue, white, black. And it's just so great that you can go to Dollar Tree and find high-end products for your fur babies. They have everything at Dollar Tree. Whatever you do, stop going to Walmart, Target, check your local Dollar Tree first because they have a lot of the name brand treats and dog foods right at Dollar Tree. They're smaller bags, but they are still affordable and that's great buys to me. I love all the new leashes they have out, all the beautiful little neckties for your fur babies. I love them. Big shout out to my girl K-Mo. Go get Carter some treats, girl, because I see his Alpo T-Bones and they have some new stuff. So go look for Carter some stuff at your local Dollar Tree. If you're not subscribed to K-Mo's channel, make sure you join her. She has a lot of great content on her channel. I'll have her link down below in my description box so you can see that pretty cute little Carter. I love Carter, everybody. They have the Purina Moist Meaty Burgers for your fur babies. They have all sorts of nice treats at your local Dollar Tree. Now, this is my favorite section, the home decor aisle at Dollar Tree. They have a lot of cute ceramic items around this time of the year, like the love sign, which is made out of wood, I believe. And it looks like galvanized letters. And they have like some white angels, lots and lots of ribbon. If you're looking for ribbon, Dollar Tree is stocked and loaded. And I have plenty of that in my house. They have a lot of different patterns and colors and different seasonal patterns also. So of course, Mother's Day is Sunday. Cars are still fully stocked at your local Dollar Tree. I picked up a few cars while I was there. These particular cars right here are $1 a piece, but Dollar Tree does have their hardline cars that are 2 for $1. So right now I'm showing you these cute and festive decorative cars. Happy Mother's Day to my sister. I love the colors in that, and the iridescent letters looks really good. And now we're on to cups. These are my kids' favorite things to purchase at Dollar Tree. They have all their summertime pictures out, all of their summer cups out. They're fully stocked. I bought these pineapple cups right here for my niece and for my daughter and my nephew. And they are the cutest pineapple cups. Look how they light up. That is so adorable. I love cups. My kids love cups. And for $1, and they're very durable, everybody. Very, very durable. And I love the fact that they light up. Now, these are the What's New Buy of the Day. I love all of these giant cups. They are so cute. They have beach theme, lemonade theme. They have tropical vibe themes. They are too cute, only $1. And you know I had to get some of those. So I got multiple of those. They have all of their beach signs up right now, fully stocked. Everything looks really good. A lot of these are old, to be honest, the signs. A lot of these signs are from last year. And right here, they have the cute Olaf looking cups. They are so cute. I didn't see any other new coffee mugs at my local Dollar Tree besides the Olaf ones. But everything else have always been there. All right, everybody, it's that time of year again. All the 4th of July supplies are fully stocked at Dollar Tree. They have all sorts of home decor products for 4th of July, the foldable fans, which are a new thing for my Dollar Tree. I've never seen it at our Dollar Tree. They also have these cute stars and the USA stick signs, which are very, very cute and festive for this time of year, because I know I'm ready for cookouts and everything. So check out your local Dollar Tree because your 4th of July supplies are already out. Congratulations to the class of 2021. Dollar Tree has lots of 2021 for memorabilia for all of your memories. They have signs, they have frames, they even have cups. I believe that cup says reaching for the stars. All sorts of decor for parties, cookouts to celebrate all the graduates of 2021. So family, friends, check out your local Dollar Tree for gifts for your 2021 graduates. These cute dolls right here are a new find for my local Dollar Tree. Never seen those baby dolls before. I always walk down the toy aisle because I'm normally with my kids when I walk down the toy aisle. So we always check out all the new toys that they have. And these are some cute dolls for only $1. They're so cute. Last but not least, these are the newest cups at my local Dollar Tree. They are pretty much have the same like logos and sayings as those giant cups that I showed you earlier, but they're just in a smaller size with different colors. Thank you for watching another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.